Piccadilly, well, down the corner. So you want this? When I was walking off the school. Next up is Piccadilly Gardens. This service is for Victoria. Next stop won't be Shoedale, although it should be. This is Victoria. They used to leave it in the running board, drivers used to get stuck in there, but stopped it now. Don't look for any other buses that are coming up. You know, some people. See, I could go in there for a drink to the all night shop, but I don't have any cash. Oh, that's a lie, I have cash, but it's not mine. That would be bad. thanks for watching. Obviously, follow the other guys and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And don't forget Patreon as well. They are now really far in front because of obvious reasons. Well, they will become obvious very shortly if they're not already obvious by the time this video. Well, will be. But never mind. See you later. Bye for now.